Peace being upon you and your family. In this video, we are going to discuss about structure of xenon oxytetrafluoride XeOF4. In the previous videos, we have discussed the structure of xenon difluoride, xenon tetrafluoride, xenon hexafluoride and xenon oxydifluoride. In this video, hybridization geometry of xenon oxytetrafluoride we are going to discuss. Xenon oxytetrafluoride. Xenon Xe, oxy, presence of oxygen. How many fluorine? 4 fluorine atoms. Therefore, tetrafluoride. Xenon oxytetrafluoride XeOF4. Before enter into the heading, first of all, you should know a simple formula used to calculate hybridization. Hybridization can be calculated by using this simple formula 1 by 2 into V plus M minus C plus A. What is V? V is the number of valency electrons present in central non-metal atom or metal atom. What is V? Number of valency electrons present in central non-metal or metal atom. What is M? Number of monovalent atoms linked to central non-metal or metal atom. Number of monovalent atoms linked to central non-metal or metal atom. Monovalent atom example hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Cn monovalent. Divalent, if the compound containing any divalent oxide ion and nitrogen 3 minus ion, these are not included in the calculation. These are not included in counting number of monovalent atoms. These are divalent, trivalent. What is C? C is charge on cation. What is A? A is charge on anion. So, by using this formula, we can easily calculate the hybridization of any molecule 1 by 2 V plus M minus C plus A. Now, we are going to discuss the hybridization in XeOF4. XeOF4. The center non-metal atom xenon having the outermost electronic configuration of 5s2 5p6. 5s2 5p6. Once again, I am writing the formula used to calculate hybridization. What is meant by hybridization? Intermixing of orbital of equal energy is called hybridization. Hybridization equal to formula 1 by 2 into V plus M minus C plus A. V plus M minus C plus A. When you substitute all these values, we will get 1 by 2 into what is V? Number of valency electron in the central non-metal. What is the valence electron? 8 plus what is M? number of monovalent atom attached to the central nonmetal atom. Oxygen is a bivalent. Therefore, that is not included in M value. Only monovalent fluorine. There are 4 fluorine atoms. Therefore, 4 minus no positive charge 0, no negative charge 0, equal to 1 by 2 into 8 plus 4 equal to 12. When you cancel, your answer is 6. If the hybridization answer is 6, how to write the hybridization? First, draw the orbital from s orbital. S orbital has only one orientation. P orbital has 3 orientation, px, py, pz. D orbital has 5 orientation, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. S orbital, p orbital, d orbital. Correct? Now our answer is 6. Therefore, select 6 orbital from the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 s orbital. How many p orbital you have selected? 3 p orbital. Then 2 d orbital. sp3 d2. If the hybridization is sp3d2, the expected geometry is octahedral. Expected geometry is octahedral. Now we are going to count number of bond pair and lone pair present in xenon oxyfluoride. Xenon, it is a noble gas containing 8 electron in the outermost cell. 8 electron in the outermost cell. There are 4 fluorine, monovalent fluorine attached to xenon. Fluorine form a single bond with xenon. One fluorine form single bond with xenon. So, for the formation of 4 bonds, xenon share how many electron? 4 electron with the fluorine atom. Among the 8 electron, it shares 4 electron with the fluorine atom. Oxygen is divalent. Oxygen always form 2 bonds, 2 single bond or 1 double bond. So, for the formation of a double bond, xenon share 2 electron. 1 bond, 1 electron. Oxygen is a bivalent or divalent, therefore it shares 2 electron. So, among the 8 electron, xenon shared how many electron? Totally 6 electron it shared. So, remaining 2 electrons are unused electron in xenon. 2 electron means how many pair? 1 pair of electron. That pair is not involved in bond formation, therefore that pair is called lone pair of electron. That pair is called lone pair. So, what are the bonds are formed between xenon and oxygen, xenon and fluorine? It forms 4 single bond with fluorine, F with fluorine. 1 double bond with oxygen. So, how many bond pair? Totally 4 plus 2 equal to, here 4, here 2. 6 bond pair are present in xenon oxy tetrafluoride. Now, we are going to draw the octahedral structure with lone pair. Then, without lone pair, what happens? That also we are going to see. Xenon is the center atom. Xenon is the center atom. Octahedral structure means 1, 2, 3, 4. Above the plane, one bond. Below the plane, another bond. Join all the corner of the square. Here, join all the corner atom. Join all the corner atom. There are 4 fluorine atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one double bonded oxygen. Oxygen is a divalent. Therefore, form a double bond with xenon. Double bond oxygen. And there is one lone pair of electron. The electron not involved in bond formation is called lone pair. So, with this lone pair, the geometry is octahedral. If you screen the lone pair of electron, this is your square. This is your square. Oxygen is in pyramid structure. So, what is actual geometry without lone pair? It is square pyramidal. It is square pyramidal. Expected geometry octahedral. With lone pair octahedral, without lone pair it is square pyramidal. Correct? So, this is the structure of xenon oxy tetrafluoride. Hybridization sp3d2. With lone pair it is octahedral, without lone pair square pyramidal. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.